Welcome back everyone. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how teenagers can make money and unlock their financial potential. Whether you are saving up for something special, want to learn valuable skill, or simply want to become more financially independent, this video is for you, so let's dive right in. As a teenager, you might feel limited in your option for making money. But fear not, there are plenty of opportunities out there that can help you earn some extra cash. Let's explore some practical and creating 12 ways to make money. I will explain the 12 ways. Which one is you're interested? Put in the comment section. I will make details video on these topics, so watch the full video and tell me your interested topics. One of the most accessible and flexible ways to make money as a teenager is through online platform. Here are a few ideas. Freelancing. Are you skilled at graphic design, writing, or video editing, or anything else? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to showcase your talents and offer service to clients worldwide. YouTube and content creation. If you enjoy creating videos, consider starting a YouTube channel. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorship, and merchandise. Blogging. If writing is more your thing, start a blog on a topic you're passionate about. With dedication and quality content, you can earn money through advertisement and affiliate marketing. Not all money-making opportunities require an internet connection. Here are some local ideas to consider. Babysitting and pet sitting. Offer your services to neighbors and family friends who need a reliable and responsible person to look after their children or pets. Lawn care and gardening. Many people are willing to pay for assistance at mowing lawns, weeding gardens, or planting flowers. Get out there and offer your service. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, offer your tutoring service to younger students who may need some extra help. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? Well, as a teenager, you can certainly explore entrepreneurial ventures. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Homemade crafts. If you are crafty and enjoy making things like jewelry, candles, or artwork, consider selling your creation online or at local markets. Reselling. Look for items at thrift stores or garage sales that you can clean up, fix if necessary, and resell for a profit on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Social media influencer. If you're active on platforms like Instagram or TikTok and have a sizable following, brands may be willing to pay you for promoting their products or service. Alongside making money, it's essential to develop valuable skills that will benefit you in the long run. Here are a few suggestions. Learn coding. In today's digital age, coding is a highly sought after skill. Websites like Code Academy and free online resources can help you get started. Our channel also provides coding tutorials, so please subscribe to our channel for more videos about tech and coding. Develop communication skills. Effective communication is vital in all aspects of life. Practical public speaking, writing, and networking to enhance your skills. Financial literacy. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, and investing. This knowledge will serve you well as you grow older. There you have it, numerous ways for teenagers to make money and gain valuable skills along the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, leave your question and suggestion on the comment section below. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep chasing your dreams. Take care everyone. See you in the next video.